We are solidly aligned with the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, and it is our hope that the country will be safe soon. The leadership of the National Assembly must therefore act swiftly and show support for Mr. President's genuine efforts to end insecurity in the country. Failure to act on the part of the leadership of the National Assembly will amount to complicity in insecurity and terrorism sponsorship. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, the rally we have had here today is in furtherance of our call on the National Assembly and all stakeholders to support Mr. President's administration efforts in curbing insecurity in Nigeria. So I think Nigerians, we need to give Mr. President some time to be able to get a full grasp of what is going on in the country, particularly as the revelations are beginning to come up now. What we want at the moment is for the President to continue to demonstrate the commitment that he has shown to Nigerians, so that at the end of the day, Nigeria will be a safe place for all of us. Clearly, it's everywhere in the mainstream media. The mainstream media has come out clearly to tell Nigerians that there are people in the National Assembly, at least one member in the National Assembly. So the onus is on security agencies to investigate. The onus is on the leadership of the National Assembly to cooperate with security agencies so that we can investigate and fish out the sponsor or the culprit who is involved in this criminality.